Hey everybody! Today we're diving deep into the world of natural remedies with a superstar ingredient you might already have in your pantry. Castor oil. You know, that thick, pale yellow oil that's been around for ages. We're going beyond its traditional uses and uncovering 5 surprising ways castor oil can become your new best friend for health and wellness. From luscious hair to soothed joints and glowing skin, we'll explore the science-backed benefits and practical tips to incorporate this versatile oil into your routine. Get ready to be amazed by the power of nature's hidden gem. Stay tuned and let's unlock the potential of castor oil together. Let's kick things off with a question I get asked a lot. Can castor oil really make my hair grow faster and thicker? Well, the answer isn't a simple yes or no. Castor oil is rich in retinoleic acid, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. By calming inflammation around hair follicles, castor oil may help hair thrive. It's also a humectant, attracting and retaining moisture for healthy hair. While there's plenty of anecdotal evidence, scientific studies are limited. Some small studies suggest castor oil might promote hair growth and reduce hair loss. What works for one person might not work for another. Manage expectations and be consistent with your application. Massage a few drops onto your scalp a couple of times a week. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, then wash it out. If you have underlying hair loss concerns, consult a dermatologist. Moving on to another common concern, joint pain. Whether it's from an old injury, arthritis, or just everyday wear and tear, joint pain can be a real drag. Well, guess what? That trusty bottle of castor oil might be able to help with that too. Remember how we talked about ricinoleic acid's anti-inflammatory powers? Well, they come into play here as well. When applied topically, castor oil is believed to penetrate deep into the skin and reach the inflamed joints, providing soothing relief. In fact, some studies suggest that castor oil packs can be as effective as some over-the-counter pain relievers for reducing knee osteoarthritis pain. Pretty impressive, right? Now, let's talk about how to make a castor oil pack. It's super simple. You'll need some cold-pressed castor oil, a clean cloth, a heating pad or hot water bottle, and some plastic wrap. Soak the cloth in castor oil, making sure it's thoroughly saturated but not dripping. Place the cloth directly on the affected joint, then cover it with plastic wrap to prevent staining. Next, apply the heating pad or hot water bottle over the plastic wrap and relax for about 30 to 60 minutes. The heat helps the oil penetrate deeper into the skin. You can do this a few times a week or as needed for pain relief. And hey, while you're at it, why not put on some relaxing music or listen to your favorite podcast? Make it a self-care ritual. As always, it's a good idea to do a patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin, to make sure you don't have any adverse reactions. And if you're dealing with chronic pain, it's crucial to consult with your doctor to rule out any serious underlying conditions. By the way, if you're interested in health products, we've compiled a list of our top recommended products. You can find these recommendations in the description box below. Chapter 3. Castor oil for skin, the unexpected beauty secret. Let's move on to the realm of skincare. You might be surprised to learn that castor oil can be a game changer for your complexion too. First up, acne. We've all been there, right? Those pesky pimples can be so frustrating. Well, castor oil's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties might be just what you need to combat those breakouts. Ricinoleic acid, that superstar component we keep talking about, can help inhibit the growth of bacteria that contribute to acne. Plus, its anti-inflammatory action can help calm down redness and swelling associated with those angry pimples. To use castor oil for acne, you can apply a small amount directly to the affected area after cleansing your face. It's best to do this at night since castor oil is quite thick and can leave a bit of a shine. But castor oil's skincare benefits go beyond just acne. Remember how we talked about it being a humectant, This makes it an excellent moisturizer for dry, flaky skin. Unlike some heavier oils that can clog pores, castor oil is actually non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores. It forms a protective barrier on the skin, locking in moisture and keeping your complexion hydrated and supple. You can add a few drops of castor oil to your favorite moisturizer, or apply a thin layer directly to your face after cleansing. Just be sure to start with a small amount and see how your skin reacts. And here's a bonus tip. Castor oil is also said to be great for fading dark spots and hyperpigmentation. While more research is needed in this area, many people swear by its ability to even out skin tone over time. Chapter 4. Castor oil as a natural laxative. Proceed with caution. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. Castor oil's reputation as a, shall we say, powerful natural laxative. It's true, castor oil has been used for centuries to relieve constipation. Here's how it works. Castor oil contains a compound called ricinoleic acid, which, when ingested, acts as a stimulant laxative. It basically irritates the lining of the intestines, causing them to contract and move things along, if you know what I mean. However, and this is a big however, I want to emphasize that castor oil should be used as a laxative with extreme caution and only under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Why the caution? Well, castor oil can be very potent and can cause some unpleasant side effects like cramping, diarrhea, and even dehydration if not used correctly. It's also not recommended for everyone, especially pregnant women, nursing mothers, or people with certain medical conditions. So, the bottom line is this. If you're dealing with occasional constipation, there are gentler and safer natural remedies you can try first, like increasing your fiber intake, drinking plenty of water, and getting regular exercise. If you're considering using castor oil as a laxative, please consult with your doctor first to make sure it's safe and appropriate for you and to determine the correct dosage. Chapter 5. Can castor oil boost your immune system? Finally, let's talk about castor oil's potential immune-boosting properties. Now, it's important to note that castor oil is not a magic cure-all for boosting immunity. However, some studies suggest that it might play a supporting role in strengthening the body's natural defenses. Remember those amazing anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties we've been discussing? Well, they come in handy here too. By reducing inflammation and fighting off harmful bacteria, castor oil might indirectly help support a healthy immune system. One traditional way people use castor oil for immune support is through castor oil packs. Remember those packs we talked about earlier for joint pain? Well, when applied to the abdomen, castor oil packs are believed by some to stimulate lymphatic drainage. The lymphatic system plays a crucial role in immunity by removing toxins and waste products from the body. While more research is needed in this area, some proponents believe that improving lymphatic flow can help strengthen the immune system. Another way people incorporate castor oil for immune support is by consuming it in very small amounts. I want to emphasize the very small amounts part here. Ingesting large amounts of castor oil can have, shall we say, undesirable effects. Some people add a drop or two of castor oil to warm water or tea and drink it first thing in the morning. However, I want to reiterate that this should only be done under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Ultimately, the best way to support your immune system is by adopting a holistic approach that includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep. So there you have it, 5 surprising ways castor oil can become your new go-to for natural health and wellness. From promoting hair growth and soothing achy joints to enhancing your skincare routine and potentially even supporting your immune system, this versatile oil has a lot to offer. I encourage you to give these castor oil hacks a try and see the difference for yourself. Remember, consistency is key, and results may vary from person to person. Share your experiences and any questions you have in the comments below. I love hearing from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Don't forget to check our top recommended products. You can find these recommendations in the description box below.